Good day, students. Today we're looking at the solution to number 10 multiple choice in your sample quiz, book 1, chapter 1, math 1026. It asks which of the following equations is in standard form. Standard form. Okay. Now there are several forms of a linear equation. However, we know that this one here, a, for example, y equals mx plus b, that's another form that would match that one, and we call this one slope intercept form. Okay, so slope intercept form would be a. Now we're asked for standard form, so it's not a. Okay, so a is not the answer. If you look at C and D, they're peculiar ones. We never solve for x. There is no equation solved in terms of x in terms of y, right? But standard form you should know. So down between B and D. Now standard form is written like this: ax plus by equals c. Now I'll use different letters because some people confuse this b with this b here, but it's not that at all. It's just a coefficient of the y term. You can call this any letter whatsoever. So I could literally write this as, as long as it's got x, y, I can put any coefficient in front. I could use dx plus ey equals f, right? So in other words, the x term first, right, followed by the y term, and then on the same side. So x and y on the same side equal to a number is the way this book refers to as standard form. So x term plus y term equals number. That has to be b. Okay, and we refer to that as standard form in this textbook. It varies slightly in other textbooks, but for our purposes, that is standard form right here. Okay, so the answer is B.